It's not often I have the chance to actually sit down with an expert in her field and have her explain to me all the do's and don'ts, the ins and outs, and the amazing things that she can do. And here I am sitting with Carolyn Sinclair. Carolyn, you're going to tell me absolutely everything to do with now. Is it photo manipulation software?
Yes.
Well, how did you get into it for a start?
Well, I got into it because I've got multiple sclerosis.
Right.
And for me to be designing using paints, it meant after I'd done the painting, I had to clear up the mess.
Right.
By which time I was exhausted. So I thought, well, there's got to be an easier way. And also I'd heard of Val Campbell-Harding and Maggie Gray and the Computer Textile Design Group. And I went down to Melly House to learn how to use it. And I came away thinking, I still don't know how to design on the computer. Which point, I rang Val Campbell-Harding and she said, what software have you got? I said, well, I've got Adobe Photoshop. Okay, she said, but I said, there's no articles in the magazine for beginners. So she said, well, you write it. That was the start of my writing career.
Did?
She said, you're the best person to write it because you're the beginner.
Right, so you've had to, this really has been a journey, a voyage of discovery for you.
Absolutely,
So
yes.
how does it go about? I mean, what happens?
Well, I start with a picture, and I'd like to give you a bit of a surprise. This is a simple picture.
Go on, I'm prepared to be surprised.
Of some flowers in my garden.
Right, flowers in garden, okay.
Okay,
Yep.
Would you like to see what I ended up with? This took an hour and a half the other day.
Yes. And you got that out of that?
That came from that. And thinking of you, that came from that.
And then, of course, one could then take that and turn it round and manipulate it and flip it and take a window out of it. And you got all this from that picture. Show me how, please.